Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Weber Genesis burner tube sets on the market. If you're looking to upgrade your Weber Genesis Chapter 300 series grill, you're in the right place. This is the SafBbcue 62752 191x2 grill burner tube set. Specifically designed for Weber Genesis Chapter 300 series grills with front-mounted knobs, from models 2011 onwards. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, these burner tubes are built to last, providing superior heat resistance and corrosion protection. What sets these burner tubes apart is their perfect fit for various models such as the Genesis E by S310, 320, and 330 series. They ensure even gas flow throughout the grill, allowing you to cook your food evenly across the entire cooking grate. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tubes are not only thicker but also more durable than standard options, promising a longer service life without rusting. They come with all the necessary hardware for installation, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your grill. Users praise these burner tubes for their excellent heat distribution, ensuring that every corner of your grill cooks food evenly. Whether you're searing steaks or slow cooking ribs, these tubes maintain consistent heat, enhancing your grilling experience. Backed by positive feedback and a strong reputation, SafBbcue provides reliable customer service, ensuring your satisfaction with every purchase. If you're looking to revive your Weber Genesis grill's performance, these burner tubes are a fantastic choice. That wraps up our review of the SafBbcue 62752 grill burner tube set. For more information or to get your hands on these top-rated burner tubes, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!